Sorry about that, guys. So the font color here is white and you can change it. Click on this color palette icon and change your font color to yellow, red, blue, whatever, anything that best suits what you're doing. Okay, so you can move this to the top, you can move it down, you can move it to anywhere, you can move it to any part of the video. Okay, you can move it to any part. So this part that is marked orange is actually where the subtitle will stop. So when it gets to the end of this part that is white here, it will stop and the remaining part will be blank. So the subtitle will remain from the beginning to where there's where the orange stops and then continues with white. So let's play it and see. Sorry, let's start over.
Now money be fine, Baba. But
okay, can you see that? So once the orange part ends, the remaining part becomes blank because that is where the subtitle ends. So if you want to extend the subtitle, you can just click here and drag the orange part. So that subtitle will remain till the orange, till it gets to the end of that orange. So let's see.
Now money be fine, Baba. Better food they make skin fresh. You go. What did they do you? I do it for my food though. Now big biscuit they bring out.
Okay, can you see that now? So since they are not saying that money be fine, but up to that point, you can just reduce it, move it back to where it stops. You get the drift though.
Now money be fine, Baba.
Okay, all right. So that is where it stops. Now money be fine, but stops where that orange stops. Okay. So you get the gist. So when you stop there, you can actually, when it stops, you can actually move it and then write in another subtitle for the next statement. So let's play. Let's hear what this person is saying.
I do it for my food though.
I dey wait for my food. So you come back, click on the plus sign again and type in I dey wait for my food. I dey wait for my food though, and then press OK. Okay, so I don't want to change the color now, so I'll just go back. Now there's another orange, so that is for the next subtitle.
I dey wait for my food though.
So this one is actually long, so you drag it. Let's play from the beginning.
Now money be fine, Baba. Better food they make skin fresh. You go. What did they do you? I dey wait for my food though. Now big biscuit they bring out.
Okay, so we actually made a mistake there. We didn't listen very well. But you get the drift though.
What did they do you? I dey wait for my food though. Now big biscuit they bring out.
Now BB's kitchen they bring out. So you can add another subtitle here where this one ends. Now BB's kitchen they bring out. Now BB kitchen they bring out. Then okay. So let's play it again.
Now money be fine, Baba. Better food they make skin fresh. You go. What did they do you? I dey wait for my food though. Now big biscuit they bring out. Child, so now because of food you come block.
Okay, so we didn't get that right. You're going to have to move it again and keep listening over and over until you get the position where you're supposed to put the subtitle. You're supposed to begin the subtitle and end the subtitle. So you understand the drift though. So another thing is that you can actually put effects on this subtitle. You can make awesome effects. So what you need to do is, when you get to where this subtitle is, you click on font settings here, font settings, and then you can select any of this square effect that is showing here. So just try your hands on anyone that suits you. See? Okay. So that is a Twitter icon. If you have a Twitter handle, you can put it there. Facebook, your Facebook page, can ask people to like your Facebook page depending on what you're doing. There's YouTube. Okay, so look at this, look at that. Breaking news, see that? This is actually sliding. This is rolling in. This is back, rolling up.
Make I explain give you.
So you can see. So take your time, play around this. So that is how I do my subtitle. If I have a white background, I'm using a white background or something. So there are so many effects. Play around it. Look at this. This is Instagram. You can put your Instagram handle if you want people to follow you. See? There's a lot. You can play around this. Play around this. There are so many awesome effects that you can use. Play around it. Okay, for this particular one, you can say, probably if you want people to visit your location, your shop, you can use this. This is awesome for a shop location. You have an address rather, so you just type in your address, and then you ask people to visit you. It's going to be a very awesome effect for address. So guys, play around it. So this one is actually a premium effect and you cannot make use of it. Okay, so anyone that you find a crown on is a premium effect and you cannot make use of it unless you pay for the premium version. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. And another thing, you can add an image. Okay, so when you're done, you're satisfied with all your editing and caption, so you just click here, you just click on that white button to save. So it's saved now. So another thing you can do, let's pause. So it's saved now, and another thing you can do is to add a clip. So you can say clip edit. So when you say clip edit, you can come to this plus. Let me show you. Let me turn on my brush. Here, click on this plus button here. When you click on the plus button, you can add another video clip or you can add an image. So let's see. Let's add an image. Let me see. Let me add this beautiful image of me. Okay, so this image is going to show at the end of the video. After the video, that is when the image will show. So if you want it to be a video, you add a video. You can add as many clips as you want. So you can rearrange this if you want it to be the image that shows first before the video. Anyhow you want it, you can do it that way. So let's see. Okay, that will only show. Okay, this will take effect when you have actually saved the video. Okay, so let's switch it back.
Now money be fine, Baba. Better food, they make skin fresh. All you need to.
Okay, so when you export the video, now while we are editing, now you won't see the subtitle right now, but when you export, when you save and export, you'll find it.
I do it for my food though.
See now that we have saved it, it's showing. So let's actually fast forward it and see if our image will show. Okay, can you see that? So you can add images, as many clips as you want, and then you save and you export. So you just save to gallery, maybe fast mode or HD mode. The fast mode is going to be of a lower quality, so you might want to click on the HD mode. so that your quality will be okay. So once it's finished exporting, you can check your gallery and you will find your video there. So guys, that is how to add amazing subtitles and effects to your video. So let's just wait for it to finish, that we'll see the way the video displays. So play around this app. You can create awesome videos, awesome engaging videos with it. So just play around it. It's easy, it's simple to use, everything is done with your mobile phone. No need to pay somebody to make awesome videos for you. Okay, let's just wait for it to finish exporting. Okay. Okay, so it's done exporting. Let's watch it and see.
Now money be fine,
Okay, can you see?
Better food they make skin fresh. You gone? What you do? I dey wait for my food though. Now big biscuit they bring down. Child, so now because of food you come block though.
Okay, you can see all the effects that we did. That it has all taken effect. So you just need to take your time and make your own come out good. Okay, so let's see if the image is there. Okay, so the image is there. So you can see you can add as many clips as you want. Guys, play around this app. You're going to make awesome videos. Okay, thank you for your time.